Master the art of social media English. Idiomatic expressions to boost engagement. Hello there, language enthusiasts. We're diving into a special topic today: idiomatic expressions in social media posts. Are you ready to jazz up your online English with some colorful idioms? Stick around, and we'll explore how to create engaging content that grabs attention. Before we jump into social media, let's make sure we understand what idiomatic expressions are. Idiomatic expressions, or idioms, as they are commonly called, are phrases or expressions whose meaning can't be understood from the ordinary meanings of the words in them. For example, kick the bucket doesn't literally mean to kick a bucket. It's an idiom meaning to die. Idiomatic expressions can play a huge role in social media. They're often catchy, colorful, and memorable. All things that can help your post stand out in a crowded newsfeed. Using idioms appropriately can help convey your message in a more engaging, creative, and native-like manner. Let's take a look at a few examples of how idiomatic expressions can be used in social media posts. 1. Feeling on cloud 9 after getting promoted to the position I've been eyeing. #blessed. 2. When it's Monday morning, and your bed feels like a safe haven. #Monday blues. 3. Finally, the weekend is here. Time to let my hair down and enjoy. #Friday feeling. Notice how these idioms add color and personality to these posts. They can often express complex feelings or situations in a short, memorable way. Now that we understand the value of idiomatic expressions, let's go over some tips to use them effectively. 1. Know the meaning and context. Make sure you know the exact meaning and appropriate context of the idiom before you use it. 2. Don't overdo it. While idioms can add color to your posts, don't overuse them. It can make your content confusing or hard to read. 3. Keep it relevant. Try to use idioms that are relevant to the message you're trying to convey or the emotions you're expressing. And that wraps up our dive into using idiomatic expressions in social media posts. We hope you're now feeling up to the mark to create more engaging and lively content. Remember, practice is key, so don't hesitate to start incorporating these colorful expressions into your posts. Keep learning, keep improving, and as always, keep loving the language.